Oh, quit playing with me. All on the tight and watch this bitch. Man, you see it, man. He working, man. Little short at work. Getting everything cut out, making it look even. You know what I'm saying? He doing what he do, making it look even. I ain't gonna cap right here though, man. I'm trying to cop me an old school for real. Man, what y'all doing? I think I should cop one for real for graduation. I think I'm gonna cop me one of the 442s on money. Yeah, bro, for real. I might ask him how much you want for this shit right here. No cap. I already dug in that shit for real. I see the red bottoms over here. There it is on over it. Need to get washed. Bookie over there building boxes and stuff. You know what I'm saying? About to graduate college. You know, young nigga doing this shit, man. Did this shit in 3 years, dog. Bro. Anybody in school that's like in school, that's pursuing their career, bro, man, keep going, bro. It's worth it. You know what I'm saying? I just did it earlier because, man, we about to get it. You know what I'm saying? It's just cruising up. So, yeah, man, it's up today, man. I'm excited. Man, I got a lot of people hitting me up, man. I feel like I got this big ass dress on. I can't find my pockets, man. But yeah, though, it's up today, bro. For real. So, y'all stay tuned, bro.
Go ahead. Oh, the head of it right here. Snap all that. Your death trap. Trying to figure out where to put the hands for that don't fit. Bad, man. Trying to figure out about the cat. That's some bad news underneath the cat. I readjusted the cup-hole stuff. What I think eventually we need to do is just, eventually, not saying right now, we need to come in and completely cut these cups out and re-weld them. It's safe now. The way I got them adjusted, the bags should lift up evenly, like I said. It's kind of waving out the tank, but eventually some of this shit needs to be cut out. It looks horrible. Well, it don't look horrible now, but you know the way it was done. But I'm fixing to go into here, and like on this one, I found the head snapped off, the bolt's still in it, the head snapped off. So none of this is bolted in. The whole cab shit.
Yeah, I think I seen it.
I fixed the cut on it. The way I'm gonna have to mount it is because the way the tank's made, I'm gonna have to bring probably end up doing it, put the compressors over here. I can bring both of them here. Do the kill switch for it, cut it on and off at 120 psi. Cap these off, and do your valves over here. I'm gonna hide your remote box and everything, but it'd be a backup do side to side. Instead of having just one valve going up and down, I'm gonna have it both of them on the remote, so you'll have 3 buttons to control. And remember the other day I showed you it was let down, it was even. Now it's all the way up where it should sit at when you drop it, it's still even. These are actually, with the smaller bags, that's a good idea. I mean, that's perfect. What I can do now is the tool we can get it rewired, and get all this shit pulled over and stuff, and get it up on the notch, and the bag will sit
good, y'all? Hey, we back, baby. We back with Ghost, you know what I'm saying? You see, we back leaning out here. Hey, bro. So right now, we're kind of rushing this morning so we can go ahead and get to the shop. So right now, y'all, we on the way to Wicked Custom, so I give me a front end alignment. And most of my front end checking intact right now, bro. So we about to do that, man, bro. Like, hey, I ain't gonna lie, dog. It's been a blessing, man. Nigga done graduated college. I done got the truck back today, y'all. Like, it's up. Like, it's up for real, man. We back sliding. I'm about to show y'all what the switches do real quick, man. Man, look at that big boy, man. You can't tell me Ghost ain't leaning, bro. Wait till we shake that completely, bro. It's really gonna be up out here. Like, real talk. So yeah, man, hey, shout out to my nigga Shorty out there in Baker, you know what I'm saying? So look, we got the wireless remote for the switches, man. Like, man, check this out. Check this out. Hold up. Hold up. Got the air back out for y'all. Hold up. Oh, quit playing with me. All on the tight and watch this bit. Oh, hey, bro, we up, man, we up. So look, all I gotta do now, bro, is get the little bag plate so we can stack it under there and get it level, and then it's up, bro. I'm telling y'all, it's up for real. But yeah, man, I ain't got all day, like, you know what I'm saying, to explain everything, but we gotta go back to the shop anyway. Shorty gonna explain everything that we did, y'all. So, man, y'all stay tuned, bro. I got basically everything all up in here. I'm gonna give y'all a whole rundown of what we all did. I just want to like show y'all what it was real quick. Drop the banger real quick, man. Y'all just stay tuned, bro. We going up all day, y'all. All 2022, bro. Y'all stay tuned.